Hello everyone, I am Hariharan Anbumurugan and today we're going to look at my capstone product, Dataflow Architect, and I was mentored around the under the Honda Research Institute US, and the members were Ian Lingo and then Rajiv. Thanks for them to for being us mentors and helping us to build this product. So let's get into the introductions. So organizations sit on massive amount of raw data sets. Extracting insights manually is time consuming and complex. So LLM-powered automation offers a scalable solution. This product streamlines data analysis into a structured report. The problem statement is like many organizations struggle to extract meaningful insights from the raw data sets because of the valuable trends are hidden in unstructured data. So traditional analysis is expensive, slow, and requires expertise. Also, it needs some time to do it manually. So our the requirement was a smarter automated approach that can build bridge the gap. Our project objective was automating data intelligence. So develop a platform that analyzes raw data sets, generate reports, detailed insights, data qualities, and machine learning potentials, offer automated reports with options for user refinements, also enabling middle managers and SMEs to leverage the data effectively. So what is the project ideation? Breaking it down, how our system works. You got a data input model where we accept CSV, JSON, and SQL schemas. Getting on there, AI processes uses the LLMs to interpret data. And then smart reporting where the generates automated reports and then user interactions for feedbacks, report improvements. So here is the system architecture. So we upload the data set and ask them, are you an expertise or rookie or like the middleman, or like 1 to 5 we have appropriate. We have the proper way to expose the users and then ask them either they want to report or step-by-step guidances. So if it's going to be a report, then we generate the whole report and give it to them where it has the data pre-processing and then gives you the EDA and then machine learning algorithms, and then it gives you the fine-tuning, also feature engineering. If it's going to be step by step, all these step by step will be there as an option and you can choose whichever you want, and then we generate a report. Also then, after generating the report, we ask for the feedback from the users to get the prompt requested as per the user needs. So the data collection was from Kaggle and also some real world examples, like we cover multiple domains like automobile, customer experiences, HR and employees, and then data sales and business analytics. Getting on there, the data samples are like automobile, customer experiences, human resource, and then sales. As you can see here, the data are being present here. So while going on with the data pre-processing, we were having some missing values and then incorrect data. Also standardize the format for consistencies. Use statistical summaries for better insights as well. So we were measuring the LLM performances. Like we took Llama and then DeepSeek and also Mixtral. DeepSeek was slow, but it generated a beautiful detailed reports, whereas Llama was fast and then concise report was given. We prefer Llama because it was concise and then the user also doesn't stay for a long time to go with all those detailed reports. Mixtures and others were like giving a balanced performance with accuracies and all. So here is the model performances result over here. As you can see, DeepSeek has a lot of time taken, whereas the Llama is pretty good with the time taking and then the performances as well. You can compare it if you want so. Also, the token usages was pretty good with Llama. It used pretty less. As you can see, it's just like 1,000 tokens or less than 1,000 sometimes. Whereas DeepSeek was pretty fast. I mean, pretty detailed reports. A lot of tokens will be used over there. Getting on with the key challenges. So LLM struggled with the numerical accuracies. Some insights needed manual validation, whereas user feedback is crucial for refining reports. Scalability consideration for larger datasets. Okay, let's get into the demo and I'll show you the app. So this is the app which is being published on the Streamlet, and you can use it if you want. So you just use this link and then you can go with that. Also, I'll give it in the description for you guys to use that. So here is the app. Over here, you upload a data set, and then it shows you how the data set look here. And then over here, please provide yourself the overall expertise rating for this report. It's like 1 to 5. I've chosen 3 for now since I have some knowledge about the data processing and all those things. I just chose 3. So I clicked on generating report, and it has generated a report over here. So these are the workflows, and then it gives you all the missing pre-processing and then all those EDAs, feature engineering, model and deployment data draft, and then gives you a step-by-step evaluations as well, like how good is this file that you have uploaded, and then what are the things that you can do with this file. Everything will be given. Also, you can have some code on feature engineerings and then machine learning algorithms as well, like how you can use it and what are the things that can be used. Getting on that, it all you can also download it as a report and you can use it whenever you want as an offline thing. If you want it in a step-by-step product, over here, you got to do the same thing. Upload the data and then get the data cleaning or data exploratory analysis, machine learning algorithm, and then model optimization, and then deployment and real world considerations like implementing deployment strategies, scaling, and monitoring. So you just want to select this, and then it just asks you the same question like, are you a rookie or an expert or whichever one you are, and then select the pre-processing. It gives you the workflow over here. Let's do that. I have generating the data cleaning and preparations. So here it takes some time, like around like 10 seconds, not more than that. So it's done. So it's step generation complete, and then please switch to the workflow tablet. Over here we have the workflow tablet. It gives you everything with the combined steps. So this is what we were looking for, and then was asked to create. So this has been done beautifully, and you can also download this as a PDF. We also ask the response feedback. If it's thumbs up, just confirm it, or if it's thumbs down, tell us which one was not satisfying you, like full relevance on the topic or support its claim with efficient evidences or example, like which response wasn't clearly communicated to this, or tell us how well the response was organized, like with a clear structure, proper conclusions, and then appropriate language for the audience as well. And also just submit the feedback. For this is the one that's been created for now. So getting on with the future works, we need to improve some numerical accuracies through validation layers. As everyone knows, the larger the model, the larger the data set gives you the better accuracies, and then the numerical values differ from smaller data set with the larger data model. So expanding support with the additional data formats, and then enhancing the UI for better interaction, like with we just need to develop a front end separate, uh, like getting on with the React or JavaScript should be a better one to customize our UI and UX even better for the audiences. Also, further refine the LLM model selections for different use cases, as I said before. So the conclusion is like LLM can effectively automate data insights. Prompt engineering is key to refine outputs. Human oversights enhance report reliabilities, and then future iterations will focus on scalability and accuracies. So these are the conclusions for us. So thank you for watching this video, and I appreciate my team for supporting me and then for supporting them as well. So thank you.